I'm representing Surge Laboratories and Nabi Qasim Group Pakistan in this Asia Pharma Expo, and we are delighted to be here. It's almost 10 years since we came last time, and now with the visa facilitations and the diplomatic relations getting better between the countries, we are here. We are exhibiting over here our microencapsulated APIs to the Bangladeshi pharmaceutical and formulation industry, and we are into the pellets, the coated pellets and taste mask granules of different APIs, mostly the PPIs as well as taste masking of antibiotics like clethromycin, azithromycin, ciprofloxacin, and we found this show very promising, and we found many new leads. We are being represented here by Precisa, which is one of the major distributors of technology as well as the API and excipients in the Bangladeshi pharmaceutical industry, and we are delighted, and we really thank the new government of Bangladesh who have facilitated us to visit the country, and secondly we would love to have a bilateral trade, and it's just the beginning of a new era, and we hope and we wish best of luck to the Bangladeshi industry. I was really amazed with the progress during the last 10 years Bangladeshi pharmaceutical companies have made, especially companies like Square, Renata, Incepta. They all have started, and their exports to the regulated market, which is indeed a very inspirational story for anyone starting a pharmaceutical business in any part of the world. It's just the focus and the determination that the management of the companies are having to make sure that they do best in the international arena, and we wish them best of luck. Bangladeshi pharmaceuticals sector, what I feel is evolving very quickly in the international scene, and the only thing I now believe is that the APIs, the manufacturing of APIs, and I was pleased to know a couple of days before in the inaugural session that the government has announced the industrial park, so which will help the API park, which will help the pharmaceutical industry in Bangladesh to manufacture their own APIs, which is obviously a great point of backward integration through which they can be more competitive in the international market. And I strongly believe that with the collaboration between different API suppliers and excipient suppliers and intermediate suppliers and semi-finished formulation suppliers from different parts of the world, especially the South Asian world, from Pakistan, from India, and from China, this will be a great synergy for the Bangladesh industry to prosper and get the accreditations in the international market.